Mastering self-introductions, feedback and improvement. Hello, dear learners. Welcome back to our English language learning journey. Today, we will be focusing on a very important aspect of our self-introduction series, receiving feedback and improving your self-introduction skills. This is a crucial step towards making your first impressions count and communicating effectively in English. Let's get started. The first step in improving any skill, including introducing yourself in English, is understanding the importance of feedback. Feedback allows us to recognize our strengths and weaknesses. When we know what we're doing well and what needs improvement, we can make the necessary changes to improve. Don't be afraid of receiving feedback. It is a tool for learning, not a measure of your worth. Remember, every expert was once a beginner, and they reached where they are today by being open to feedback and continuous learning. Now, how do you receive feedback effectively? Here are a few pointers. 1. Listen actively. Pay full attention to the person giving feedback. It's important to understand their perspective completely. 2. Stay open-minded. Don't take the feedback personally. Consider it as a tool for development. 3. Ask for clarification. If something is unclear, ask for further explanation. You can't work on something you don't understand. 4. Thank the person. Always thank the person for their feedback, regardless of whether it was positive or negative. It encourages them to continue providing valuable insights. Once you've received feedback, the next step is to put it into practice. Incorporate the given feedback in your future self-introductions and observe the changes. Let's say you've been told that your speech is too fast and difficult to understand. Practice speaking more slowly and clearly. Record yourself and listen back to check for improvement. Remember, consistent practice is key to making lasting changes. Role-playing is an excellent method for practicing self-introductions and implementing feedback. It involves simulating a situation where you would need to introduce yourself. This could be a job interview, meeting a new colleague, or a casual conversation at a party. Have a friend or a language learning partner play the other person in your role-play scenario. This gives you a real-life context in which to practice your self-introduction, and your partner can provide immediate feedback. And there we have it. The importance of feedback in mastering self-introductions cannot be overstated. By embracing feedback and using it constructively, you can make significant strides in your English language journey. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, feedback is not criticism but an opportunity for growth. So, keep practicing and keep improving. See you in our next video.